In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extract pages in Adobe Acrobat. If you have a PDF and only need certain pages from it, Adobe Acrobat makes that process very simple. Extracting pages is useful when you want to create a smaller document, share only part of a file, or separate specific sections without having to rebuild the PDF manually. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along at your own pace. To begin, open Adobe Acrobat and make sure the PDF you want to split is already open on your screen. This is the document you'll be working from, so take a quick moment to confirm it's the correct file before moving on. Once the PDF is open, look toward the top area of Adobe Acrobat and click on Tools. The Tools section is where Acrobat keeps many of its document editing and management features, including the option we need for working with individual pages. After that, click on Organize Pages. This opens the page management view where you can see your PDF broken into page thumbnails. This view is especially helpful because it gives you a visual layout of the entire document, making it easier to choose exactly what you want to pull out. Next, click on Extract Pages. This tells Acrobat that instead of rearranging or deleting pages, you want to create a separate file from selected pages in the document. Now click on the pages you want to extract. Be careful here and make sure you're selecting the correct pages, especially if your document is long. The thumbnail view helps a lot with this since you can quickly recognize page contents visually instead of relying only on page numbers. Once your pages are selected, click on Extract. Adobe Acrobat will then create a new PDF containing just those pages. This is the final action that completes the extraction process. After the pages are extracted, it's a good idea to review the new file to make sure everything you needed is included and in the right order. If something doesn't look right, you can simply go back and repeat the process with a different page selection. And that's how to extract pages in Adobe Acrobat. It's a quick and practical feature that can save you time whenever you need to separate part of a PDF into its own document. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.